Hi everyone, welcome to Turkish Lessons. My name is Yasin Durak. I hope you are all doing great. Now today I will help you learn very important lesson for Turkish learners, and I hope it's going to be a great lesson for you, and I will make it as easy and simple as possible for you with simple examples to overcome this challenge to use this connecting words of up, ip, up, up. Now, before I talk much, let's now start the lesson. Alright, now first of all, I will show you two simple examples. Now, how we will use this. Okay, first example is, you see, I will come. In Turkish we say geleceğim, geleceğim. And the second example is, I will tell, söyleyeceğim, söyleyeceğim. Now, these are the two simple examples, as you see. Now, I will make this one example, but how? The order of the, example really important. So, which one you put first, then we will use that suffix according to the first example or the second example. Alright, now let's see here. First, I say, I will come, and then I will say, I will tell, or I will say. So, first, geleceğim ve söyleyeceğim. Geleceğim ve söyleyeceğim. So that means first I will come and then I will say. Alright, so these are the two examples, as I said. Now, how it works in Turkish with connecting words to make it one sentence. Alright, so here how it works. Gelip, söyleyeceğim. Well, there must be here this connecting word ye. Here I forgot to put this, I'm sorry for this. So let's see here. Gelip, söyleyeceğim. Gelip, söyleyeceğim. Alright, first, what that means. First, I will come, which means gelip. First, I will come, and then I will tell, söyleyeceğim. As you see here, these are the two simple examples, geleceğim ve söyleyeceğim. But we also say, most often, so here in Turkish, like this example, gelip, söyleyeceğim. So these are the connecting words, or you can say suffixes, that we connect examples or sentences you would like to say in Turkish. Alright, now this is how it works. Let's see a few more examples how it works. Another example, I will start. That means başlayacağım. 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 In the second example, I will finish. Bitireceğim. Bitireceğim. So, first I will start, and after I will finish. This is what it means when I say this in English or in Turkish as well. But there is a connecting word, as I said, in Turkish to make this example how it works. So I will show you again. Başlayacağım ve bitireceğim. Either you can say it this way, which is fine, which is really correct to use this in Turkish. Also, you can say başlayıp bitireceğim. Well, this is most Turkish speakers commonly use this type of examples, in Turkish. That's why I believe it will help you a lot, when you hear from native speakers of Turkish, when they speak like this. So, in order not to ask yourself what that means, so I'm now making as clear and articulate it with examples. I hope it really works for you. Now, başlayıp bitireceğim. Başlayıp bitireceğim, which is the same. First, I will start, then I will finish. This is what it means here. Okay. First, I will start, then I will finish. This is what it means, as I said before. Now, before I go to next example, I would like to say one more time. Başlayıp bitireceğim. What that means? Same. First I will start, then I will finish. Now here, another example. I will listen. This is the first thing I will do. And the second thing, I will sing. Oh, maybe you are listening a song, and then you would like to say it like singing style. So you say, first, dinleyeceğim, 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 and after I will sing it. Söyleyeceğim, söyleyeceğim. Okay, so I will put this in examples. First, dinleyeceğim ve söyleyeceğim. dinleyeceğim ve söyleyeceğim. Either you can choose this style or you can say like this. Dinleyip söyleyeceğim. Dinleyip söyleyeceğim. If someone tells you this or says this example to you, that means first he or she will tell you this. First listen, and then after he or she will say it or tell or sing the song, whatever it is, okay? Dinleyip söyleyeceğim. Don't forget to repeat all the time as much as possible for you to make it as easy to practice. Sorup öğreneceğim. If you know the word of sor, which is sormak, which means ask for, then after öğren, which means learn, so you can put this together. Sorup öğreneceğim. That means first I will ask, then after I will learn. If I don't ask, I can't learn. This is what it means. So as you see here, first I will ask, then I will learn. Another example, öğrenip anlatacağım. Öğrenip anlatacağım. As you see here, base form of the verb we use here, öğren, which means learn, kind of a competitive form. Okay, öğren. But I use here, as I said, connecting word, which means first I will learn, which means öğrenip, and after I will tell, anlatacağım. This is what it means. And next example, yapıp öğreteceğim. Yap, which means do or make, or do it or make it. Yapıp öğreteceğim. That means first I will do it, then I will teach it. So let's see more not more examples, let's try to repeat these examples. I suggest you repeat with me or after me as you wish. I will make it slowly now for you. Sorup öğreneceğim. Öğrenip anlatacağım. Yapıp öğreteceğim. Okay, now this is the examples how you can learn. Before I finalize my lesson here, I would like to show you one more example as a summary part. Now here on the left, as you see here, one example, which means I will talk. In Turkish we say ben konuşacağım. Ben konuşacağım. Konuşacağım. And after second action I will do ben gerçeği öğreneceğim. Ben gerçeği öğreneceğim. I will learn the truth, which means here, these are two examples as I said before. First, what I will do is I will talk. Then I will learn the truth. If I don't talk, I can't learn the truth. So how we use this in Turkish, as I said in the previous examples, here is a final example I will show you here. First, konuş, and after I put here the connecting word up. Konuşup, konuşup, gerçeği öğreneceğim, which is the second example. Alright, so I'm not sure if you ever noticed or not, when we use the second example, we don't make any changes. Have you ever noticed that? First, only we make changes with the first example after the base form of the verb. Don't forget this, kind of the infinitive form. Konuşup, gerçeği öğreneceğim. And don't forget to use these suffixes as well. Depends on the vowels of verbs that are used in verbs. Alright, now this is the end of today's lesson. I hope it's been a great lesson for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like our lesson. One more thing, don't forget to practice as much as possible. Thank you very much for your time. Bye for now.